Lot 25, that's lot 25, Bridgeport 2J vertical mill, 1.5 horsepower, 9-inch by 42-inch table. It has a Bridgeport variable speed power feed. We've not run that. It can't get it to go on. It also has a Acu-Rite Millvision 3-axis digital readout, which is working. I'll move the X, I'll move the Y, and I'll move the Quill for the Z. Okay, so now I'm going to start up the spindle. We're in high range, variable speed. We got the drawbar in there. I'm going to engage the power quill feed. Whoops, there we go, wrong handle. There we go. It's going to feed to the kick out. Notice it is working on the Z too. And the feed is kicked out. And feeds. Nothing else to show you. Okay, that's good enough.